morning, everyone. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, what did we do? We studied about the natural resources. We learned what are the uses of air and water. Now, let's get started the further discussion of this chapter. Students, now answer me. Where do we grow plants? You can answer me in the comment section. Whatever questions I ask in during class, answer me in the comment section. From where plants get nutrients? Where do we build roads and houses? Where do some animals and insects live? Answer me. Today, we will study about the uses of soil. Soil is so important for us. All of you know about the soil. Where do we live? We live on the soil or the earth. Soil provides water to plants. Plants get water from the soil. Soil provide nutrients to the plants, and nutrients are very important for the plants. We build structures like roads and houses on the soil. Some animals and insects, they live in the soil. Soil gives shelter to animals and insects. So all of you have understood about the uses of soil. What are the uses of soil? Soil is so important for us. Where from do we get light? We get light from where? Sun. And sunlight is so important for us. Even you can understand the importance of the sunlight in the winter season. Plants, they prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of what? In the presence of sunlight. We dry clothes in the sunlight. Without having sunlight, we can't dry clothes. We can take help of the washing machine, but sunlight is very important to dry clothes. It is also used to heat water, and we grow food where? Of course, in the soil. And sunlight provides vitamin D, and vitamin D is very essential for the bones. Sunlight is also used to generate electricity through solar panels. Have you seen that how is electricity generated through the sunlight? So, all these natural resources are very important for us. Air, water, soil, sunlight, and this is our responsibility that we should conserve the natural resources, because we can't survive without natural resources. Natural resources are very, very important for us. But do you know this one? Natural resources are reducing day by day. Depletion of natural resources. Depletion means decrease, reduce. Natural resources are reducing day by day on a daily basis due to overuse, because population is increased, and due to rise in population, natural resources are being used up rapidly. So natural resources are reducing day by day due to rise in the demand for space for building houses. we have to build houses, and for that's why we destroy forest plants, we cut down the plants, and plants are very important to prevent the soil erosion. It means uh, it prevents the spoilage of the soil, and water is being depleted due to the changes in climate, excessive demand of water. Due to overpopulation, the demand of water has increased. More quantities of water are used and wasted over the time. We also waste the water. It should not be done. More amount of surface water and groundwater is being evaporated due to excessive heat. Rainfall is reduced due to deforestation because we cut down the forest trees to fulfill our needs, to make urban areas, to build buildings. So we are responsible for this one. We are responsible for the depletion of natural resources. Natural resources are reducing day by day due to ourselves, due to human beings. Human beings are the responsible for this one, and natural resources are so important for us, so we should conserve the natural resources. What have we learned from this chapter? That we should conserve the natural resources. We should use natural resources but wisely. We should not waste the natural resources. There is one question for you. Just share your views with me that how can we save natural resources? Question is for you. Question is for you that how can we save natural resources? Share your views with me. You can write down in the comment section. How can we save natural resources? This is question for you. Write down the answer. And what is your assignment for today? You have to read this chapter properly. In the next class, we will do the exercise of this chapter. Now, it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. Have a good one.